Hi everyone, Judy here, and welcome back to our Bisaya Word of the Week. Today I will be sharing about Holy Week that's coming right up. Let's talk about tradition first. I remember when I was still in grade school, we always watch the Ten Commandments in the local channels. They will show inspirational movies, but the Ten Commandments is always in the top list. Also, one of the tradition we have here in the Visayas area, especially here in Cebu, we cook binignit during Holy Week. So it's a tradition. So binignit, it consists of coconut milk with root crops like the purple yam, sweet potatoes, with colorful tapioca pearls, big and small. During Holy Week, almost every household here in Cebu, specifically Cebu, because I am from Cebu, we cook binignit. Okay, so don't be surprised if maybe your neighbor will give you binignit. During the Holy Week, there are a number of activities the Roman Catholics do. First, we have the Palm Sunday, which we call it Linggo ng Palaspas in Tagalog, or Domingo sa mga Lukay in Bisaya. Okay, so we will go over that in our vocabulary just a few minutes after that. There are processions, reenactment during Mass, like the washing of the feet. Week. My favorite activity during Holy Week is the visita iglesia, which means church visit. So usually we Roman Catholics visit 7 churches. We pray the Holy Rosary. Some of us would recite the Station of the Cross. Okay, so it's a fun activity, by the way. Well, for me, I'm having fun doing the Visita Iglesia. And then if it's your first time to do Visita Iglesia here in the Philippines, just take note that there will be some traffic on the way to church. So please be warned about that. And then during Easter Sunday, we have a Mass at dawn, wherein we celebrate the Sugat, which means Sugat means to meet up or meet up. Okay, so it's the meeting of Jesus Christ and Mama Mary. Also, during Holy Week, it's since it's a long holiday, most Filipinos go back to their hometown or provinces. So I will share to you these 2 useful phrases. Number 1, muuli ka sa inyo igka Semana Santa. Muuli ka, muuli means to go home. Ka means you. Igka, on, Semana Santa, Holy Week. So muuli ka igka Semana Santa. Are you going home on Holy Week? Then you can answer this question by saying, "Oh, muuli ko," or "Dili ko muuli." Okay? Number 2, asa man inyong probinsya or syudad? Asa man inyong probinsya or syudad? Asa means where. Asa man is like where is. Inyo, that means yours. Probinsya, province. Syudad, city. Okay? Asa man inyong probinsya or syudad? Where is your province or city? To answer this question, you can say sa blank. Okay? The blank, you just fill which city or which province you're going to go home. Okay, so you just fill the blank with your city or your province. Okay, let's for example, sa Cebu City, sa Bohol. Okay, so sa blank. Then lastly, let's go over to our vocabulary. So Holy Week is Semana Santa. Holy Week is Semana Santa. Palm Sunday, na Domingo sa Lukay. Domingo sa Lukay. Lukay is the palm, Domingo is Sunday. That is Palm Sunday. Holy Wednesday, Miércoles Santo. Okay? Wednesday is Miércoles, Holy is Santo. Holy Thursday, Jueves Santo. Jueves Santo. Thursday is Jueves and Holy is Santo. Good Friday, Viernes Santo. Viernes Santo. Viernes is Friday. Santo is Holy, but in this case we use it. The Good Friday is it's not Holy Friday, but we say in English we say it's Good Friday. And we have Easter Sunday, which means adlaw sa pagkabanhaw. Adlaw means a day. Pagkabanhaw is the risen. Pagkabanhaw is risen from the dead. Alright, thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate your time. May you have a blessed Holy Week and enjoy your vacation. That's all for today. I hope to see you again next Wednesday for our Be Wow, okay, Bisaya Word of the Week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.